South Carolina, baby. I'm on the ocean swimming with the fishes and you know, just cooling out, doing me relaxing, you know. Take a trip to the ocean with the family to sit back and see what's going on and vibe with the fishes and the animals, you know what I mean? South Carolina, you know what I'm saying? Right here in the water. Shout out to my man Jay Hooks, what up, baby? You know what I'm saying? That's how the Bloods do it. We sit down and take trips to the ocean. You know, fish in the same water that I'm swimming in. Good things, good things. Let me show y'all what my day consists of for the week. You know what I'm saying? Scoping out the beautiful ladies, you know, sitting back, drinking good, you know, blowing kush good, and I mean, you know, just vibing. You know, I just want to shout out to my family, to my friends,